Hey drivers, ever feel like your car is fighting you every time you drive? Today, we're diving into the #1 car maintenance issue most people ignore, wheel alignment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot alignment problems, save hundreds in repairs, and keep yourself safe on the road. Trust me, this could save your life and your wallet. What is wheel alignment? Wheel alignment isn't about the wheels, it's about your car's entire suspension system. We're talking 3 critical angles. 1. Camber, how your wheels tilt inward or outward. 2. Toe, the direction your tires point. 3. Caster, the tilt of your steering axis. Think of it like your body's posture. When something's off, everything gets complicated. Sign number 1. Your car pulls to one side. Test this right now. Find an empty, straight road. Drive around 30 to 40 miles per hour. Slightly loosen your grip on the steering wheel. If your car starts wandering left or right, red alert. Your alignment is screaming for help. Sign number 2. Tire wear tells all. Tires are like detective witnesses. They reveal everything. Edge wear, potential camber problem. Feathering, smooth on one side, sharp on another. Toe misalignment, diagonal scalloping. Suspension issues. Pro tip, check your tread depth regularly. Digital tread gauges are super cheap. Link in description. Sign number 3. Steering and handling red flags. Police car light warning signs. Steering wheel not centered. Constant vibrations. Squealing tires. Delayed steering response. Feeling like your car is wandering. What causes alignment issues? Your alignment can get wrecked by hitting potholes, curb collisions, speed bumps, minor accidents, rough road conditions, natural suspension wear. The real cost of ignoring alignment. Ignore alignment. Prepare to pay. 7% decrease in fuel efficiency. Up to 50% faster tire wear. Increased safety risks, potential suspension damage. How to maintain proper alignment. Maintenance checklist. Alignment check every 6,000 miles. Avoid potholes. Proper tire inflation. Regular suspension checks. Environmental factors. Pro insight. Environmental factors crush your alignment. Extreme temperature changes. Rough road conditions. Frequent heavy load transportation. Modified suspension heights. These aren't just minor issues. They're alignment assassins. Safety breakdown. Safety alert. Bad alignment isn't just about comfort. It's a life or death issue. Potential risks. Increased emergency stopping distance. Reduced stability in wet conditions. Higher blowout risks. Compromised emergency handling. Potential loss of vehicle control. Detailed professional diagnosis walkthrough. What professionals do. Initial inspection phase. Visual tire examination. Comprehensive suspension component check. Detailed steering system evaluation. Measurement magic. Computer-guided alignment checks. Precise ride height measurements. Advanced suspension geometry analysis. Adjustment process. Precision camber corrections. Exact toe adjustments. Caster angle verification. Thorough road test confirmation. Cost-benefit analysis. Financial breakdown. Alignment service costs. Basic alignment, $50 to $100. 4-wheel alignment, $100 to $200. Long-term savings, extended tire life, improved fuel economy, reduced component wear, fewer emergency repairs, higher vehicle resale value, preventive maintenance masterclass, ultimate prevention strategies, driving habits, strategically avoid potholes, reduce speed on rough roads, practice proper turning techniques, maintain balanced vehicle weight distribution, vehicle care rituals, regular tire balancing, consistent tire pressure monitoring, proactive suspension maintenance, immediate addressing of related issues. Protect your investment. Your car is trying to tell you something. Are you listening? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more automotive survival guides. Comment below what alignment trick saved you money.